Welcome back, everyone. This is 52. Good morning. It's Monday. I have a Chevy Traverse here that I'm driving into work, and the brakes are grinding. And we're going to see if you can't hear it. Let's try and get some content out of this. There we go. So I have you guys over top of the rear tire inside the vehicle. This is 52. How about you? So yesterday we went to a mine, a closed mine about 2 hours from here, and they were mining magnetite. It was pretty cool to see where they were, the pits that they were doing. There was no buildings left. This thing's got bad motor mounts too. Ready? We're going to grind them up even more on our road test. Oh yeah. So on this long 2-hour drive yesterday, there was a lot of dead trees. And then I seen this Christmas tree that was sitting in the woods that was green around all these dead trees, and I had to take a pee. Oh yeah. So then in my head I'm like, Christmas tree and pee rhyme, so I was like, all right, well, I was thinking about some words to put together, like those coffee places where they drink coffee and go up there and spit rhymes and poetry. And I was like, one lonely Christmas tree I see, I think I have to take a pee. I hope no one sees me. And then some other stuff was going on and on and on. And then the end of it was like, I hope I don't drip any pee on my knee. I'm a poet and I didn't know it. So I feel good. We had hibachi last night in Turnersville. I'm sipping tea. I have 2 meetings today. One meeting today and one tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to make any of them. I'm not sure if it's just follow-up to advertising. I need to actually look at my emails that I never look into and see what I missed. This video is about getting grind and break content, so let's see what it sounds like. I drove this vehicle from Turnersville last night to my house. You ready? This vehicle has the infamous Traverse front motor mount, probably transmission mount, makes the vehicle sound like crap. It's definitely got a cold start issue with no codes. GDI engine 70K. I'm going to say it needs a GDI service and some spark plugs. This is my sister-in-law's car. It's got a bad wiper blade. I don't want to do all this work to it and then they trade the car in, because that's typically what they do. So I need to find out if they're going to trade it in, then I'm not going to put all the money into it. I'll fix the brakes. But if they're not going to trade it in, then I guess we'll wind up fixing all the problems before it gets worse. It rained here in South Jersey. The roads were a little wet. We have a customer that I did the catalytic converters on Saturday morning. Ran the car, leak checked my work, road tested the car, parked the car outside. Everything was good. And about 5 hours later, customer messages Rachel and says that her alternator went. And we're like, yeah, unfortunate for you that happened. tell you that your vehicle was leaking antifreeze, and coincidentally enough, it's been leaking antifreeze on the top of your Nissan engine into your alternator. And electronics don't like antifreeze, water, and oil. So today's going to be an interesting day with this woman. It was extremely extraordinary experience for us and her the other day. Oh yes, I'm grinding brakes, baby. So we're just about to the shop. See her car towed there. I'm surprised that it's not. People are such a-holes when they drive. They know there's a merging lane, and then they basically want to like rub past you when you're trying to merge into the lane. I guess they don't really know how unsafe the vehicle that I'm driving really is. Gem in this parking lot. Gem. Who remembers Gem? That was a girls' cartoon back in the 80s and 90s. Gem. Gem could transform from hot cartoon character to a punk rocker. So all she had to do was like jingle her earring or something. Kind of like I Dream of Jeannie, where she would wiggle her nose or some shit. Alright, so we're just about at the shop. We're gonna grind these babies right all the way into work. Newer convertible Mazda here. I don't know why that is. Newer convertible Mazda. It needs a rear wiper blade. We're gonna have to squeeze in there and grab the other one. Alright, that's the end of my grind and brake job video. I put it right over this wheel because the brakes were grinding the whole ride. If that's not content, I don't really know what is. Thanks for watching.